Now we can open this. Yo, nah, I'm free. I'm gonna open it like this.
What the fuck? Yo, close that shit, bro.
This place is valid, bro. Look at all the fucking snacks. I haven't seen this since like 6th grade. You're gonna grab a couple of these later?
Only if you're 21 plus, right, guys?
You know I'm looking for the Zona, baby. I'm from New York. I'm from Queens. Oh, they had it. Let's go. Oh my God. Bro, it's fucking $2. I got 3 sliders, baby. That's the way to go. It's left Sheets. Sheets over Wawa. Debate your mother. I love this song.
Yeah, this song's good.
And this is not on his album.
Nope.
Poor Travis, man. This past year, though, he's been dropping good music as a feature.
Pyramids and Giza have been around for over how long? Like 500 years?
Pyramids? Yeah. More.
And he's like, you know what? Nobody's performed on this in 13,000 years. Let me hop on this.
Has anyone ever the Swanton bomb off this? He's gonna jump on an Egyptian. So we ate. We're going to a property right now that I have under contract. I personally don't know if I'm gonna buy it myself or I'm gonna fix it and flip it or I'm gonna wholesale it. I haven't seen it yet in person. The seller is a little bit of a knucklehead. He showed me the pictures and he told me it's like $10,000 to fix. You probably have like little elves come and fix this place because what the fuck? And you tell me if it costs $10,000 to fix this. And if you can fix it for $10,000, please let me know because I will hire you for every single property that I get. We about to step into this property real quick. This thing's feeling a little sus right now. Alright, it's not that bad.
Gotta look at the mess inside.
I think this place probably needs around like $45,000 to $55,000. You can't smell through YouTube. Stinks. It's a little musty in here. We got a little fly swatter.
Full of shit.
Everywhere I'm walking, there's a fucking spider.
What the fuck?
That's Jupiter, bro.
And it's mad weird because there's like a nail in it. You can't really have stuff like that. That literally looks like tubby custard. Knucklehead that I was speaking to, who's the seller, told me you could fix this for $10,000. I mean, look, $10,000 and we've got grandma's wallpaper on there. Also, the scary fact that there was a baby in here. During COVID, he actually had to evict the tenants.
Someone lived here during COVID?
Yeah, and he had to evict tenants because they just weren't paying. And he was like, all right, fuck that. But how is someone living like this, bro?
Shitty.
Bro, look at this TV. When was the last time you saw a TV with a big ass forehead? It looks like the Proud Family peanut head. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, yeah, wait.
You know what I'm talking about?
I think I know what you're talking about, yeah.
The lights don't seem to be working right now, so again, I have no idea what this guy had in mind.
Get a shot of this fucking roof, bro.
Yo, what the actual... These are called drop-down ceilings, aka the doctor's office ceilings. What to expect when you're expecting. The only thing I expect is that this shit's gonna cost me a lot of money. Nah, this is what... Oh, hell no! Yo, I think I saw Mickey Mouse.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, it's what you gotta do. You gotta get down dirty, especially in the first deals. Here's the way I would lay it out. So here, I would make this the living room. We'd knock all these walls down and just make a nice little square. Then here would be a door to a bedroom. Bedroom number 1, close this off. We're gonna go all the way through. And when you guys are walking your properties, you guys have to have a vision right away. Even if it means knocking down walls, believe me, it's gonna pay back. For some weird reason, I've been seeing it a lot, especially in the house in Pennsylvania. The bathrooms are all the way in the back. Even the one that we bought. Remember the one that we bought?
Yeah.
The bathroom was in the kitchen. Anyway, so I would put the kitchen here, just how it is. I would leave the bathroom here, and then here would be another door to another room.
It's like an upstairs?
Yeah, we're gonna go upstairs.
It's a weird layout.
Yeah, it's they're called up and down duplex.
Oh, it's a duplex?
Yeah.
So what are you thinking? You're gonna buy it or what? What are you thinking?
Me personally, I think I'm gonna wholesale it. Too many projects.
This is actually a nice house to buy and fix up though.
Yeah, definitely. After this, you'd probably make like 15,000 or something like that. Like just wholesaling it.
Oh shit, we're going to the basement?
No, I don't want to go down there.
Come on, bro. No excuses. Come on.
Nah, hell no.
Look, I got your flashlight here.
Look down yourself.
I bet.
Let's see.
You fucker. Oh, nah.
Oh nah, bro. We're definitely not going in there,
That doesn't look like it's...
It looks nasty,
It
bro.
doesn't...
Sometimes when you get these duplexes, they're called up and down duplexes. 2 things that I want to tell everybody. You always come and look for 2 electrical boxes. This electrical box was made when Thomas Edison was alive, so that needs to be changed. You have 2 gas meters. Gas meters are, again, gas is always outside. Why? Because your house can literally blow up. We were watching a talk about that. So yeah, you look up, I mean, like there's still like shit, like there's like shit that's like...
Look at that window.
Yeah, we're going up there.
This is This is sad, bro.
What?
A freaking dog leash there and shit.
Where?
Look right here. Look, the dog tag, and it says "My Home" and it's a leash.
So this is actually how you get to the second apartment. The neighborhood doesn't look that bad.
It's actually
It looks like I'm in a little tree house.
This is actually really cool.
Yeah, right?
Put a little sofa here or something. You know what? I'd actually might want to live here more than I would live down there.
Just because of this.
Just because of this little
the
setup
entrance
right
is
here.
vibe,
It's
right?
vibes.
Yo, I don't know how this guy was gonna fix this for $10,000. It literally smells like Eleven's asshole. 11 is my dog.
So like there's a chicken here or some shit.
I feel like we don't belong here right now.
They give me an animal in here.
Dude, there's a bell here. Look. What if you press that?
Broken. How is this guy gonna fix this for $10,000? See, this is why you do your due diligence. If you could get a contractor or anybody to just walk the property for you to be your eyes on the ground, that'll be great. Because look, this guy said he could fix it for $10,000. An attic.
You see, I could get it up there quick, but I don't know about
Do we have a chair?
Nah, because if you were to get in there, even if I stand here, there's no support on the bottom.
You know what we gotta do though? We're gonna have to go check out the bathroom.
Which bathroom? Alright, bro, we couldn't get to the fucking attic, but my brother's pushing me to get into the bathroom, so we're just gonna fuck around. I let Derek go first. It literally looks like a Saw movie. Oh my god, there's like a fish tank. There's
what?
no shower either. Look, it's just a tub. Bro, this literally looks like a fucking Saw movie. Now we can open this. Yo, nah, I'm afraid a mouse is gonna pop out. I'm gonna open it like this.
What the fuck? Yo, close that shit, bro.
Why?
I don't know.
It's the mattress from the other
No,
side.
it's not. It's a closet, bro. Fuck that.
Like you're walking through like a haunted house and like some, you know, some shit happened in here, bro.
Right here we got Derek's bed. Oh look, Derek's first paycheck. It's a dime.
What is that fucking?
It's a cable box.
Is that an Xbox 360?
Cable box.
It looks like a murder scene in here. So let's get a shot of the outside, especially from here, because look, this is what sells. I mean, the houses around it don't look like this. Look at the house across the street and look at the nice little blue house.
It's true. Actually looks really nice.
They look like decent houses. I'm just going to continue to hone on the fact that you just make these houses better. And let's also wish my boy, Nicholas Rixford,
2017.
a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nicholas.
Happy birthday, Nick. I'm so sorry you had to live here. Yo, this is the kind of shit that sometimes you walk into. That looks like a spoon, and someone looked like to have been doing some sort of illegal substances.
Some fucking Walter White.
Something like some sort of horse tranquilizer. Maybe the tenant was Walter White.
This is one of his labs, low-key.
And what was the other guy's name? Jesse? Oh, look. Here we go. See, when you step in more, you start seeing more shit.
So,
Now you know who lived here. The Kush Killers. We wish would have brought some gloves here so I can pick things up. Jesus Christ, bro. If you were putting a baby in this thing, I have no idea, bro. I wouldn't even put a turtle in there. And turtles smell.
I don't know if I'd put a rat in there, honestly.
Yeah, alright. So the guy said this place costs $10,000. The tenant is Michael Myers.
Yo, the homie got stuck in a web.
He's going to Sheets. It's not the size of the dog, it's the fight in the dog. Look at him. You guys see horror, I see green. That's where I'm at, where I want to be.
Maybe go check out the basement down there.
Damn, he's putting you on the spot, bro.
I know, but he's right. Alright, let me see. Let's go.
I'm glad to be back here. What the fuck?
Yeah, right? We just came from upstairs, back down. I'm glad to be back down here than I was upstairs. Yo,
This has to be about me.
fuck no, bro. Yo, and it's crazy because I was in a fraternity and I used to see shit like this. But I was also younger. Yo, I feel like I'm gonna walk like 2 steps and someone's gonna pull my leg. It's not as bad as we think.
So can you go down?
Yeah. I'm hunched over here. You always want to check the hot water system.
Yo, it's some fucking saw trap right here. What the fuck?
Get the fuck out of here.
Somebody was sitting there like
Yo,
this.
can you imagine if you... Yo, someone was really in that chair like the way Diogo just did.
And look, they're right.
The guy that was torturing him was just like drinking Dr. Pepper, and the guy's just and he's just like, oh, so they have 2 hot water tanks. That's good. Each hot water tank is for each apartment, so that's good. These look like pretty good condition. You know, they look clean, and they always have the dates on them. I'm not gonna look at them, but they always have the dates on them. This one looks a little bit rusty. Might be some sort of replacement. It's a little bit hard for this one, but if the basement is accessible to both tenants, you can put coin operated laundromat like in the basement.
While you're at it.
Yeah, true. I have no idea what the fuck's going on back there, but oh, there's an oil tank. Those are actually a bitch and a half to get out. They're huge, and sometimes what they do is they'll just cut them up and get them out. I like to say when there's an oil tank in the house, that means they built the house around the oil tank. But yeah, oil tanks are used for heat, so we're getting out of here. Ready? House is definitely not livable unless you are dead. Can it be livable? Absolutely. To renovate, it'd be about $25,000 each floor. There's a lot of potential here, but you gotta get your hands dirty in order to make some money. I have a really bad knee. I think I need surgery. Yeah. Hey, cut some fucking wood, eh?
He thinks the fucking top G, but he's not.
Nah, I'm top J. Strong like an ox.
You're strong as an ox!
Realizing right here, look.
Yo, next time we can do golfing with beer and shit. Like, you can, right? Yeah.
The Enderly Chopper one.
Nah, I'm playing. So, we just got back. We just ordered some Chinese food. Derek got the shitty chicken and broccoli. We're definitely going to check out some more properties tomorrow. Cameras on or off. We're still buying properties, but we're going to continue putting out content. We're not stopping. I got my guy Derek behind the camera. I got my guy Diogo here. We already signed contracts that we are going to go all the way until we reach God knows how many subscribers. Whatever it is, get interactive with us. Talk to us. We want to talk to you guys. Cheers to that, and let's get active.